labaphethe ibhola esigodini sakaHoho, the media houses, ngivusele ema teams la bengu part of le league lesibuya kiyo. Without you guys ngabe le league ayikaphumeleli because we may have the sponsor, but uma ngabe kude labantu labatawudlalela lo mncintiswano wale sponsor ngeke kube sponsor lesitaba successful. So ngibonge ne team lehlala isedvute nami ingisekela. This is the team that always guide me, help me, give me advices where I need. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming. And ngiphindze futhi ngichubeke ngibonge ema team. Ngibonga kokuthi sifike lapha nangabe kukhona tingoti letipotiwe tibe tincane. Nangabe kukhona kulwa lokumatima lokupotiwe kube kuncane. And isingusani si brand siyak appreciate lokho ngoba kusho ukuthi niyai respect le brand noma ke angithi niyayivaluisha le brand ka football. Ngichubeke ngibonge media houses. Guys, thank you very much for all the positive reporting leniendako lokusi chasa lokungaka lokuchamu like lokusi phakamisa kukhuluma kahle ngebrand yethu. We really appreciate. I always say ibrand yasani imcokwa emaswatini. Each and every time I speak about this brand, guys, ngiba nema goosebumps because I understand where the brand is coming from and what the brand is currently doing for emaswati. So each and every time I speak of Sani, each and every time ngibona le Sani brand, kukhona lokuvukako ngakimi ukuthi you know this brand is not just a brand but yi brand yemaswati, yi brand noma ngabe bengabukeka incane emehlweni ebantu, but what the brand gives back to the community is very big because ema products ethu in the market, they are very affordable, and I always say being them being affordable akusho ukuthi kukhona lokushoda koyini kiwo. No, konke kuphelele ukuthi it is a brand lene heart of emaswati. Emaswati ayinhlito yale brand. Each and every time le brand icabanga kwakha iproduct lensha icabangele emaswati. Each and every time le brand lena icabanga a new product njena to whether it's new in the market or there's some existing products in the market. Uko konke nayikwenda nako konke ifaka ema prices icabangele emaswati le that is why le brand lena sit differently in my heart because ngiyati ukuthi inakekela emaswati ema households ethu anakekelwa ngile brand lena. So ngiko ngithi each and every time nangikhuluma ngayo angikhona nguma because ngiunderstand lobuhle bale noma lokubuyisela back emaswatini. Sibuya khashane ke Dr. Comfort. Singendeka kube sesinami yezi kodwa nasani sina 2 angathi uthi siyapi though, but sibuya khashane na Hoho na le brand. Ngisho ukuthi la nende safika khona mhlambe besingeke sifike thine sifike ngevisibility, but nine you manage or you took it your initiative ngokuthi nisithathe nisibeke lana. We really appreciate you guys indlela neniphethe ngayo libhola. I always say Hoho indlela laphethe ngayo ibhola it's so different, and how I wish leletinye tigotsi how I wish leletinye tigotsi can also follow on that babuke lokuthi how Hoho administrate their football. Ngiyabonga kakhulu phindze futhi ngiqhubeke ngicele ukuthi ene product lotayikhanza ibhalwe Sani enangizaneni esitolo itabe iyethu. Ene product lotayikhanza ibhalwe nje Sani iye kudla noma iye kunangizana iye ku cleaner noma iye yetinja kutabe kuyethu yakasani. If leyo product leyo ikhona eceleni unga hesitate kuyipick because lolo takutfola la the experience lotayitfola. I always say uma ngabe uthenga product yami, one thing I can assure you ukuthi after you've bought my product, once you consume it or you use it, the experience that you're gonna get, itakwenda ikubuyisela. ungabuki lokho ukuthi le price ithi 10 but itawuthi biyela emuva uyoyithenga le product yami. Ngicela kweke ukuthi sichubeke nisupporte kuze nathi sitawukhona to give back to the community. Ngiyabonga.